back to another video. For today I decided I wanted to try and make a cake in the microwave. I have never done this before, but I think that those cakes in the little mugs look so adorable, so I really want to give it a try. I just hope mine's going to turn out as adorable, but if not, I'm sure it'll still taste delicious. The first thing you're going to need is a microwavable mug. In there you're going to add 4 tablespoons of sifted flour. I added a half a teaspoon of baking powder to the flour. Then add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Then mix all the dry ingredients in together. Add in 2 tablespoons of egg. Three tablespoons of oil. And 3 tablespoons of milk. All that's left is to mix it all together. Microwave for 3.5 to 4 minutes depending on the size of your cup. I'm going to go for 3.5 minutes. Don't forget to check and make sure it's completely baked through. So now that we have our perfect cake, we're going to want to leave that on the side to cool down and start making the icing. So you're going to need for that is a bowl and a spoon, icing sugar, and some butter, vanilla essence, and food coloring of your choice. Then I got the shimmering powder to decorate, but I'm going to use the silver one that I've already opened because I think it'll look really nice with the icing sugar I'm going to make. So I'm not going to film how I make the icing sugar because I really don't have any exact measurements that I use, and I just throw all the ingredients together and keep adding until it looks and tastes good. So after you add all that ingredients together and stir it for the icing sugar, it's going to end up looking like this. Well, of course, depending on which color you choose. So I went for a pink one because I want to try and pipe petals onto the cake. Never done this before, so I don't know how it's going to turn out, but here's a photo of what I'm going to attempt to do, and we'll see if it turns out like that. So here's our cake, all cooled down. It looks so cute. I cannot wait to ice it and give it a taste. So the first thing you're going to need is a piping bag and the nozzle that's basically going to resemble the petals. This is the type of style you're going to want to look for in order to get those petal effects. always first put the piping bag in a glass because I just find it so much easier to manage. If I don't do that, then I just get ice and sugar everywhere. Love it. I think it is so cute. It's not exactly the rose I had in mind, but it definitely resembles a flower of some sort, and the color is just amazing. And it doesn't matter how it looks, I'm sure it's still going to taste completely delicious. So I'm looking forward to digging into this. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial video, and subscribe down below for more videos to come. Thanks, bye.